Hi, everyone. My name is Justin Lacey. I am the Assistant Director for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion and System Office's Title IX Coordinator at the University of Illinois System in Urbana-Champaign, Illinois. I wanted to let everyone know how wonderful I think CUPA is. I've been in higher ed for several years now, and everything that I have, all the knowledge I've acquired, all the friendships I've developed, CUPA is at the forefront of everything. So, I can think of the way CUPA affects me in three ways. First off, if I ever have a question about something I'm looking at, whether it's, a compensation question, a legal question, there's a good solid chance that the first place I go to is CUPA-HR.org. CUPA's website provides a multitude of resources that really help me to get the answers to the questions I need. It is one of my first bookmark websites. It is an absolutely fabulous website. It is one of my absolute go-to places. The second reason why I think CUPA is so wonderful is because most of my professional friendships and people that I'm close to, people that I talk to on a regular basis, are all CUPA members. And I met through CUPA, whether I was attending a conference, a webinar, no matter what it was, CUPA was there to help me get the questions I need. So whenever I have other questions that I can't find on the website, if I need to send an email or find out some information, it's usually a CUPA person that I send my email to, because CUPA members do the exact same things that I do. We're higher ed professionals. They speak the same language. They know the same, terminology. Somebody who maybe works in manufacturing or, other types of different organizations may not know the terminology, may not know what I'm looking for specifically. So my CUPA colleagues are really there to be able to help answer questions for me. And finally, I think maybe my favorite reason is CUPA has allowed me so many professional development opportunities, not just, webinars, not just, professional, other things like that, but, all the conferences I've gotten to go to, all the additional things that I have gotten to experience as a higher ed professional are all thanks to CUPA. So, I highly encourage you to get as active as you want to. It is truly a worthwhile experience, and I truly believe I am successful in my career today because of CUPA. So I'm always happy to answer any questions you have about CUPA, so feel free to reach out to me. But again, my name is Justin Lacey, and I am all about CUPA. Thanks.